Good afternoon, today's Squardle. It's 24th of April. Get straight into it and start with snare. And that's got an A in the right place, an E across here is an S, and an A down here somewhere. This word is starting with an A. Need a 5-letter word beginning with A. Go on, Anne, think of something. Alarm. Oh, right, there's a few letters here. There's an R across here. There's an A in the different places. An L, Bavair or Bavair. There's an R. There's an R Bavair and an R Bavair going up Bavair and one going across there. So there's a good chance there's an R in the middle. There's an E going across here somewhere. Going down, we need a word. I'm guessing something dandy, and that's got D's in it, N's, Y's. Alright, and it's just an A, and there's an A and an N across the bottom. That A is in the right place. So going down here or going across here, we've got an E, which is either there or there. Going down here, we've got an S and an A. There's no N, there's no R, there's no D. And the S is not the starting letter. And the A is not in that place either. So, nasty. Puts the A in a different place, puts the S in a different... Oh, right, and they're in the right places. And there's a T across there. We're doing this word down by here now. So there's an R somewhere along here, which I think is going to be there. And there's an N and an A across the bottom. There's a T in either one of those places. If there was a T by there, what words could fit in there? With an R as well. The R would have to be Bavair or Bavair. Arced. I can't think of anything at the moment. Let's just think of a word with an R in the middle. Array. So the R's in the right place. And with the AS by here, and we're on this word by here now, which I haven't really got anything. There's possibly an N. It won't end in an A, I can't see, but it could end in an N. There's no E in it. We haven't used an awful lot of the vowels at the moment. There's no M, there's no D, there's no Y. Fault. Well, it's not going to be fault because it's not going to end in a U by here. Let's forget that one for a second. What could this word be by here? It could be spray. Yes, it is, because there is an R in it. Oh, the R is probably by there. But it could be spray. I don't know. Sprig. Could be sprig. Rages. No. Right. Back by here. So that could start EAS. I can't see it starting EAS, to be honest. And it could end with an S, or could end in an N or an S. For ending in an N, could be basin, I suppose. Oh, right, so it's neither basic or basis. This word down here now is a we've got a T either by here or by there. So if it was a T by there, T by here, it would be, well, the only word I can think of is aorta. Oh, it's correct as well. So we got one word, so our bonus guesses are up to 3. So I've got three guesses left. But here we've got an E, which is either by there or by there. We got an A. We haven't got any letters here other than an A or possibly an N. And going along the bottom, we've got an S. Alright, well that definitely finishes, starts with an S, ends in an S, and so that's basis. S something A. Something A. Can't be start, because that R would be facing downwards. Shaft. Let's try shaft. Right, so that ends in a T. We got the extra bonus guess for getting basis by there. We're now up to this word across. No, this word across by here. So we got B-E-A or something. It can't be B something A-E. So it's B-E-A. Beach is about the only thing I can think of. Beach is correct. We've got H-A. Right, so that is going to be habit. And that would then be scrub. And that, right. So we're going across by here. So I think that's scrub. Not scrub. That's going to be shrub. So that's going to be shrub. We're now on habit, which we can fill in. I guess our bonus guess is up to 2. And we got 2 words to go. And we know that's shrub. And our last, alright, shrub. So we got our last word at the bottom. S something A something T, which could be loads of words, I guess. And we haven't got any letters to. Oh, we got an N in it. We got an N, which is S-N-A something T, or S something A N-T, which seems probably more likely. Scant, slant. I got 2 guesses. Scant or slant. Have I put a C in the bottom? Let's try slant. Slant it is. There we go. Quite a bit of a longer one today, 8.5 minutes. Managed to get them all done though. If you're watching and you enjoyed it, please consider leaving me a like, and if you would like to subscribe, I'd be eternally grateful. Thank you very much. Hope you had a good weekend. See you next week. Bye.